As you can see, we've got the main event here. This is just just over half a kilo, around about a pound of ribs, just from supermarket bought. Nothing fancy, nothing special, but they'll make good tasting ribs. As you can see, you've got the bones running along down here. Got a good bit of meat on these in between the bones, and a little bit of fat. I'd like to see a little bit more fat on top of this, to be honest, but supermarkets, they tend to trim it far too close to the bone. But yeah, not bad looking set of ribs anyway. And if you look on the other side, you'll see that there's a membrane over the top here in the inside of the ribs. Now, some people like to remove it, some people like to keep it on. There's a big debate in the pork ribs fraternity world of do you keep it on or off. I like personally to take it off, but you know, it's entirely up to your preference. Some people like a bit of chewy membrane in there, get their teeth stuck into. But I'll show you how to remove this in a moment, if you do want to take it off. Okay. So to remove the membrane, I generally like to find an edge. You can actually do it with your fingers if you've got decent fingernails. Obviously, be clean from washing them. This is hard to do with one hand. I'm trying to video this on a camera phone for you. But you just get it started. You sort of tease the edge at the top of the bone, and you can just get that membrane started. Or you can use something blunt like this blunt knife, and you can just use that to scrape underneath and just get that going. Okay, once you do manage to get a bit lifted up, what you need to do is get yourself some kitchen roll here, and use that to help you pinch on and pull away. So just pinch onto that. I'm just going to put you down for a moment and just show you what I mean. So as you can see, I've just got that started here. It is quite hard showing you one-handed. I'm just going to try and show you what it's like when you just peel it across. So you're just peeling that membrane off. Can you hear that? That's the membrane peeling. So if you are into getting it off, just keep peeling away. It just comes away very easily once you get it started. I'll post another video with a link to the Barbecue Pit Boys. They show you how to do this and do it very well. Better than what I'm doing with one hand. But there you go, you get the idea. If you want to take the membrane off, start it off with something blunt or your fingernails, grab a bit of kitchen roll to use it to hold on to, and just rip away.